In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Zoho CRM. If you're moving the list of people from a spreadsheet or another system into Zoho, this walkthrough will make it simple and error-free. Before we begin, it helps to have your contact list saved as a CSV or Excel file with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone. Keep things tidy, remove blank rows, and make sure each column holds only one type of data. In Zoho Contacts, the last name field is typically required, so be sure that column is present. Start in your Zoho CRM account and open the Contacts module from the main navigation. This is where your imported records will land. In the Contacts view, look for the small drop-down arrow near the top right actions. Open that menu and choose Import Contacts. This opens the import wizard, which will guide you through the process step by step. Click the Browse button to select your file. Navigate to where your CSV or Excel file is saved and choose it. You'll see the file name appear in the uploader, confirming it's ready. Next, select the option to Add as New Contacts. This tells Zoho to create brand new records for each row in your file, instead of trying to update existing ones. If you're importing a fresh list, this is the safest choice to avoid overwriting anything already in your database. Click. Next, to continue into field mapping. This is the most important part of the import. On the left, you'll see Zoho's contact fields. On the right, you'll see the columns from your file. Match them carefully. Map first name to first name, last name to last name, email to email, and so on. If your file uses different labels, like mobile instead of phone, use the drop-downs to pick the closest Zoho field. Skip any columns you don't need to bring in. Double-check that required fields, such as last name, are mapped correctly to avoid errors. If your data includes dates or pick lists, confirm the formats. Look right at this stage. When everything looks good, click. Next, to review your settings. This is your quick final check. File name, import operation, and mappings. If you spot anything off, you can go back and fix it. Finally, click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process the file and show you a confirmation with the number of records created. Once it completes, return to the Contacts module and you'll see your new contacts ready to use in views, filters, and workflows. That's it. Your contacts are now in Zoho CRM and ready for action.